The ins and outs of Shopify POS. You've heard of Shopify, the e-commerce platform that lets you set up an online store to sell your products. But what is Shopify POS, and what does it do? Put simply, Shopify POS is a point-of-sale system that lets you use your Shopify account to sell in person, whether that's at a physical storefront, pop-up shop, or trade show. Keep watching to learn more about how Shopify POS can benefit your business. How does Shopify POS work? Shopify POS is an app that you can download onto your iOS or Android device. Once it's set up, you can start adding products and processing payments using the app. If you have a physical storefront, you can also connect a Shopify POS hardware kit, which includes a barcode scanner, receipt printer, and cash drawer. The great thing about using Shopify POS is that it integrates with your existing Shopify account. This means that all of your inventory is synced in real time, so you always know what's in stock, whether you're selling online or in person. Plus, any orders placed through Shopify POS are automatically added to your Shopify account, so you can keep track of everything in one place. What are the benefits of using Shopify POS? There are plenty of reasons to use Shopify POS for your business. First of all, it makes selling in person much simpler and more streamlined. There's no need to keep track of inventory separately for your online and brick-and-mortar stores. It's all taken care of in one place. Click the link below to get your questions answered. Another big benefit of using Shopify POS is that it gives you the flexibility to sell anywhere. Whether you're at a trade show or pop-up shop, as long as you have your phone or tablet with the app installed, you can start selling right away. And if you ever decide to open a physical store down the line, the transition will be smooth since you're already using Shopify's platform. If you're looking for a point-of-sale system that's easy to use and integrates seamlessly with your existing Shopify account, look no further than Shopify POS. This app lets you sell in person without any headache, while giving you the flexibility to do it from anywhere. Plus, all of your inventory is automatically synced between your online and offline stores, so you never have to worry about overselling or underselling again. Ready to give it a try? Click below for a personal demonstration.